Okay, I've decided to make a quick video specifically covering the forums section of our club's website located at STARcsra467.com. So open up your preferred web browser and up top type in STARcsra467.com. This will bring up our home page where we have tabs across the top that take you to different sections of the website. For this demonstration, we're going to go with the forum section. That's where 90% of the activity happens. And the vast majority of activity then is either under chapter meetings or do you want to ride. Some stuff is under general discussion, and ladies of the Star, post your discussions there, please, that pertain just to LOS stuff. To get started, you'd want to click login, which is up here in the top right hand corner in the orange bar. So we click there. That will open up, or should have opened up, a dialog box to ask you to log in. In this case, I told it to remember me, so you'll see up here my name is here. Now if I click log out and go to log back in, that box should pop up. And this is what you'll see when it's asking you to log in. Now to log into the forum, you're going to use your username that you were provided with when you joined the club. If you do not have one of those yet or not sure what yours is, you can get with Jerry Cox or myself or any member of the club, or send an email to STARcsra467@comcast.net or STARcsra467@yahoo.com, and we can try to assist you. But this is where your user ID goes in. Again, that's just your user ID. That does not include the @ symbol and then an email address. An email address does not go in your username. So it would be just the username, and then you put in your password to gain access. Now anybody can see our website. Only members can post to it, reply to comments, or start a new one. So if you're trying to type something in and it's not showing up, it's because you're not logged in. So check in the top right hand corner and make sure you see your name. If you don't see your name there and you see a log in button, that means you need to log in first. Also, when you go into one of these categories and you select something you're reading, if you'll scroll all the way to the bottom and you want to comment on that, if you have not logged in, you'll see under here, you'll see the box, and then you'll see a thing that says log in to add your comment. When you click that link, it will take you to the same page you just saw where I entered my user ID and my password. So either way, you can get there from clicking the top right hand corner log in word, or at the bottom of the topic that you want to post a reply to. So as you can see, I came in a few minutes ago and I posted down here, great first meeting of the new year. That was today at 2:35 p.m. and then I hit save and it showed up here. That goes for all topics under our forum. If you go into any one of these, it all operates the same. The only thing that I would ask, that if you go into these and let's say it's a new year, let's say we had something coming up in February and you wanted to start a new topic for February, you would click start new discussion and then choose which of the subdirectories. In this case we're under do you want to ride, and then name it February ride, and then what the topic is you want to start and discuss. As you can see, I think it's under general discussions. Our joker Lonnie has posted his own personal blog just to see if anybody was paying attention, and it's a nice read. It's funny, but this is Lonnie getting in here and playing around, getting used to the site, and just seeing if anybody else is using it, trying to get some replies. So you can put pretty much anything you want in here, but let's try to keep it motorcycle related before it gets too out of hand. Anyway, once you're logged in and you post replies, it'll show up in the bottom of the discussion like I showed you a minute ago down here. And then say you wanted to go look around and respond to something else, you'd go back to categories and it would take you to the next one, so on and so forth. I hope that helps with any problems you've had logging in. If you've forgotten your password, you know your user ID and forgotten your password, I or Jerry or other members should be able to get you your username. But if you've forgotten your password, we don't reset those. What will happen is when you come to the login screen and you just put in your username and say, I forgot my login. That should send an email to you, because you have to have an email address to get a login in the first place. That should send you an email address with a link on resetting your password. That lets you keep your password to you. We don't need to know it and try to keep up with everybody's password. So if you forgot your password, you'll put your username in there and then click on Forgot My Login. And you'll get an email allowing you to reset your password and you can get logged in. Okay, thanks. Hope that helps.